Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energies from 15th till 21st of November 2021. In this video we'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? So let's see. Capricorns. What's going on with my Capricorns, please? At the back of the deck, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Might be dealing with a Capricorn over here only. This is your energy, definitely. Or a Libra. But let's see. Okay, so my Capricorns, you are feeling like so basically this is your overall energy. So you are behaving like a true Capricorn over here, where you are more into, your more focus is towards money and finances in your life, towards stability, what is good for you, what is not. So that is what you are working on at this point. Okay, so basically this is your energy, but how you are reacting to this energy, we will see it in a bit. In the past, we have the Star, Nine of Wands and the Chariot. Things were like, you were fighting for some situations in life in the past. You had hopes that things will be fine, but still you were fighting and fighting. So, with those hopes, actually, you started moving on with those hopes, whatever, because your manifestation, your positive hopes were very strong. So because of that, you tried to move on from that past energy, whatever was it which was blocking you in the past. It could be a person who was being blocked by you, or you might have been blocked by a person. In the love situation also, I feel that there was a no communication zone from you or from your person towards you, where you wanted to talk to this person, but this person might have blocked you. You might have blocked this person. It could be vice versa. So take as it resonates. And it was like, you were not ready to accept that thing, because you wanted to talk to this person because of that strong, stable relationship which you both had. In the present, we have King of Wands, Page of Wands and Nine of Pentacles. So this could be you. This could be a person you are dealing with. Aries, Sagittarius energy, Virgo, Capricorn and Taurus energy is also coming up. So this is somebody who might be younger to your age, and they are behaving very immature. Okay, because of this immaturity, there is a lack of balance in this communication or in this relationship. So that is why you are choosing to be single now at this time, but we will see what exactly it is. In the coming future, we have the Tower, Queen of Cups and the Fool energy. This to me is looking towards more kind of a situation, all of a sudden things ending, all of a sudden things are like ruining in your life. But at the same time, either you know that things will be happening like this in your life, or you might be the one who will be ending some things to start something new in life. So this could be anyone's energy, but this is for me. I think that you are more going towards a practical approach in life, which you really want to go towards. Let's see. Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles in the overall energy for my Capricorns. Queen of Pentacles. Why this Queen of Pentacles is here? How is my Capricorn reacting to the situation they are going through? Your reaction. Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. So I saw a Queen of Pentacles and a King of Pentacles. Wow. So this could be a relationship. This could be a very strong and stable relationship. Might be dealing with a Taurus or Pisces. This is something stable which you want, and you are not able to move on from that person or that situation. I am really getting that you are working for a stability in your life. whatsoever it is, whosoever this is, you are asking the universe for a stable person in life, for a stable situation, for a stable area. You know, it's been like long time now, and you have been going through some people, or you have been working with some people, or meeting with those people who are always like this page of wands, always confused, always just taking things like all of a sudden, with lots of passion, but then when the passion ends, it's like the relationship ends. And now you are falling for somebody who is very mature, or you want to fall for someone. Okay, so for those who are single, you want that thing, and those who are going into a relationship, so you are finding this stability only in a person. That's your past energies. Tell me more about the star in the past for my Capricorns. Four of Wands, the Emperor, and the World. It feels like the things which happened in the past, like if it was a non communication thing, okay, it was you who ended it in the past also, or the separation was meant to happen because universe really wanted both of you to learn something new, or learn your lessons, whatsoever this is. For some of you, it also means that this was okay. So for some of you, this was a marriage thing. Okay, it could be a marriage in which your person is the person could be an Aries. Okay, Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo, but to me it's more like a person who was trying to control you, and you were feeling blocked by this person a lot. For some of you only this is valid, because this is somebody else's energy which I'm getting, that somebody else is trying to cage you, somebody else is trying to tell you what to do, how to do, and not to go there, not to go here, there, and whatever, and you started feeling like you are caged, so you just ran away from that situation because you wanted freedom. So let's see. Capricorns really want freedom. It's just, you cannot cave a Capricorn ever. You cannot. Let me clarify the Chariot energy. Why the Chariot energy is here? Queen of Wands, Three of Cups, and the Sun. Strong Leo energy is coming up. Leo and Cancer might be a Cancer-Leo cusp. But for me, it's more likely a third-party situation in the past. You moved away from this person because I'm seeing three people. Said that all three are. For some of you, it could be a very beautiful situation. You must have had a very beautiful time with your person in the past, but somehow they not only had this beautiful situation with you, but with someone else as well, because I am getting three people over here, three in a card, and definitely there's a third party situation, because the Queen of Wands also tells us sometimes that it is the second woman in the deck, in the cards. Okay, let me clarify now. Something more I want to say. What's exact situation in the present for my Cancer? Why the King of Wands is here? Knight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and Knight of Wands. When I saw this page of Wands in the present energies, I don't know, but I felt a feeling of Knight of Wands also coming up, and it came. So with whosoever you are dealing with right now, Capricorns, it's more likely an attraction, a love affair which might not last forever. You feel somewhere that this person is your man, okay? The King of Wands energy you are seeing in that person, but actually this person is the Knight of Wands, okay? It's not the King's energy, okay? So this person and your energies both are coming towards each other with lots of love and passion, a strong passion energies, sexual attraction, intimacy, something like that. But this is just an attraction. Yeah, because I am getting your single energies more, honestly speaking. So whatsoever this was, or you could have been in a very permanent relationship in the past, and you were blocked by that energy, by that person, and you left. So when you saw somebody new, because I see Ace of Pentacles as well, so I see that, I feel that this could be a new person in your life all of a sudden who has come up, and now you have felt a strong passion with this person. But it's telling me that somewhere this is the person who is same with the feelings. It's more kind of a temporary relationship only with this person. Let me see why the Nine of Pentacles is here. Tell me more about the Nine of Pentacles. Two of Cups, Five of Swords, and the Star. Yeah, this is a beautiful dating energy. You could be feeling that this person is your soulmate, or you are dating this person, you are dealing with like romantically with this person, or a feeling of goodness, okay? But somewhere things are going bad, okay? Because there are some plots, or you are the victim, or somebody else is the victim in between both of you. And this is you could be missing some signs as well, I feel, because of that long last betrayal in the past. So there is a hope that this person might not betray you, or things might not end up the way they have ended up in the past with some other person, because you are still thinking, somebody is still thinking of the past here. I don't know who is this energy, but this is definitely somebody who is still thinking of the past, and still, because of that betrayal, there is a scary thing, a scary situation inside a person over here. Tell me about the Tower energy in the future. Queen of Swords, Two of Wands, and Five of Pentacles. This is definitely somebody is cutting someone off in the near future. This is a feeling of left out in the cold, a no communication zone keeping on continuing, because I feel this is some kind of a no communication zone in the week of 15th to 21st also. Let's see, anything changes. Queen of Pentacles, please. Sorry, Queen of Cups, Seven of Cups, Three of Swords, and Justice. I feel that this temptation for this person, or this temptation, that love temptation, or that passion, or that fire energies for the person with whom you are dealing with, or the person's feeling towards you, is coming towards an end, because you will be getting to understand that this is not the permanent relationship which I'm seeking, and that is why I'm seeing a new beginning in your life. So whosoever this person you are dealing with exactly is not the person you want to be with. You want a stable person who is good with money, who is good with decision making, strong, elegant, everything you desire, because Capricorns are kind of mature people, and you want a mature guy to be with you, not just a kiddish person in your life. So yeah, you'll be understanding this in the coming future. I'm really glad for you, Capricorns, for this thing. Let me just take out some angel answers from my angel answers oracle deck for you. Some answers which you need to listen. Think of a question. I'll be taking out 3 cards, so just take as it resonates, okay? Whatever card feels for you. Okay, so the first card is Ask Your Angels. I saw one more card here. Abundance. You are ready. So basically it's coming up like you are ready for the abundance which you need to get, because you just need to ask your angels for that, okay? So this is the position, or this is something which if you ask your angels to give it to you, you are ready, okay? The universe is ready to give you that abundance. Just you need to ask that thing, whatever you want in life at this point. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.